Hey, Vishesh Balara this side from How to Do This. You must be using LinkedIn for quite a while and you must be knowing everything about it, right? Well, not everything. There are numerous tips and tricks on LinkedIn and one of them is finding the URL for shared content. Okay, don't get confused and just watch this carefully now. Alright, so for finding the URL of the shared content on LinkedIn, first of all you have to go to LinkedIn and select a relevant post. Then you have to click on three dots at the top right corner and select copy link to post. Now what happens here is that the link which you have selected of the certain post that has been copied to the clipboard. All you have to do is just paste that link on the web browser, and once you paste that link on the web browser, only the post will appear of which the link has been pasted. As you all can see, the post is now appeared on another web page on LinkedIn itself, and it's just one post. For more such tips and tricks, stay connected with How to Do This.